Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Country above self. Bayan bago ang sarili. Yan ang habilin ng aking lolo, dating Pangulong Manuel Rojas. Our nation is in trouble. Our people are hungry. Leadership is bankrupt. Institutions are in disarray. Noynoy Aquino and I share the same outrage over the mess we are all in. The same way we share the solution. Clean, honest, selfless public service. Marami at mabigat ang mga problema ng bansa. Kailangan nating ayusin. Matindi ang kalaban. We need a determined force for good, far stronger than the festering evil around us. We need to fight just as our own fathers fought dictatorship. And just as they both died believing that good will conquer evil. Noynoy and I want to make a difference. But we also know that we need to unite to achieve what we want. I am the president of the Liberal Party. It is within my power to preside over a potentially divisive process or to make the party a bridge for the forces for change. I choose to lead unity, not division. Bilang pinuno ng aking partido, magdedesisyon ako. Mahal ko ang Partido Liberal. My grandfather founded it. My father led it during the most difficult times of martial law. Sa harap ng peligro, sa kabila ng napakaraming tukso, hindi siya sumuko. He inspired me to stay the course, to fight the good fight, to pass the test of true character, to believe. Over the weekend, Noynoy and I had many long conversations. Masinsinang usapan. We agreed, let us forget about ourselves. This is not about us. This is about our people and our country. This is about our common dream, the dream of our forebears. But let us not remain a country of dreamers. Tama na ang hanggang puro pangarap na lang. Gawin na natin ngayon. Today, I am announcing my support for the candidacy of Noynoy Aquino for President of 2010. Sa madaling salita, di pa ako tapos. Noy has made it clear to me that he wants to carry the torch of leadership. The passing of our beloved President Cory has reawakened a passion among us. I see this as fuel to bring us to the realization of our dream. Good will win over evil. Ito na ang pinakamabigat na desisyon sa buhay ko. Maniwala man kayo o hindi, ginagawa ko ito para sa bayan, para sa inyo. I do this for unity in support of change. And if that means that somebody must make a sacrifice, it must be me. Ako na. To you, Noy, I say, I began the campaign to sow the seeds para sa pagbabago at reforma. You must now be the one to grow them in the arena of leadership. Hindi kami maghihiwalay ni Noy. I will stand with him. At sa aking mga kababayan, sa mga nagtiwala sa akin, mahal na mahal ko po kayo. Mahal na mahal ko po. Mahal na mahal ko po ang ating bayan. Hindi rin tayo maghihiwalay. Itutuloy natin ang pagbabago sa ating bansa. Itutuloy natin ang laban para sa reforma. Kay Noy at sa aking mga kababayan. Bayan, bago ang sarili. Hindi ko kayo pababayaan. Lalaban tayo.